everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Udemy account. So first of all, launch open Udemy application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Udemy application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, at bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign-in interface. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. In this interface, you'll be able to find the login methods. Either you'll be able to log in with email or Google or Facebook or Apple. So simply tap on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. If you also want to do that, simply enter your email and tap on the option login with email. Now after that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password. Now after entering the password, tap on the login option that you'll be able to see on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Udemy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.